BOTA Inc. head and tail stocks are designed to withstand high production cycles, yet are cost justifiable at low cycle rates. A variety of head and tail stocks are available, including standard units with customized fixed terrain, power elevation, pin elevation, rail style, and railcar rotators. In addition, head stocks work well with idler rolls and/or outboard support stands for rotating and capturing large bulky parts. The frames for the head and tail stocks are rigid box section, all welded. Construction. Additional rigidity is accomplished by utilizing oversized anti-friction bearings and by having a welded connection between table and kingpin. The table is driven by an AC brake motor through roller chain and sprocket S to a high efficiency worm reducer and a final spur gear stage, combined with a manipulator or side beam and carriage. Our head and tail stocks can provide a semi-automated or fully automated system for specific applications. Contact your BOTA Inc. representative or call us direct. We have a large variety of engineered head and tail stocks available to meet your exacting needs. Welding positioners. They are designed for the positioning, elevating and rotating of work pieces in a convenient welding position with march speed. The cheeks of the positioner are equipped with lifting and sinking mechanisms and electrical drives. By lifting, the synchronous M is ensured owing to motors with encoder S and an elevating carriage control system. Double column positioners. The double column lift positioners feature powered height adjustment, table pivot, and table rotation to create a uniquely flexible platform for welding large components at varying angles. These positioners are available with load capacities of 22,000 to 176,000 lbs and can handle work pieces as large as 300 inches in diameter. Synchronized elevated head stock and tail stock positioner. A typical configuration consists of a driven head stock positioner with an idler tail stock. Dual synchronized head stocks can be used for exceptionally long parts or parts that have torsion concerns. Robotic versions and manual applications can be accommodated depending on your specific needs. Head and tail stock positioners. The BOTA Inc. head and tail stock welding positioners consist of a head stock frame with a powerful rotation motor, a table with standard T-slots for work holding devices, a movable idler tail stock frame on rails, and an electric control system. These positioners are available with load capacities of 2,200 to 220,000 lbs and working diameters of approximately 60 to 90 inches. BOTA Inc. YKSEKLIKARL hid roll IK tilt K now K positioner. BOTA Inc. head stock and tail stock positioners are specially designed for long revolving work pieces. Head stock positioners can use either with or without the tail stock positioner. Tail stock positioners are idler units used with a head stock positioner. Head stock and tail stock positioners capacities are 1 tons to
20 tons.
Welding head stocks and tail stocks. BOTA Inc. head stocks and tail stocks with capacities of 2,500 lbs and up are designed to rotate large frames, heavy structures or rollers for maximum downhand welding, overlay or hard-facing operations. These simple, rugged machines can help your operation reduce labor costs, increase product quality, minimize operator fatigue and minimize downtime.